Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape or who is really cashing out on Jamaican YouTube in 2025. These men didn't just build channels, they built digital empires. From political powerhouses to humanitarian giants of podcast and documentary. Today we review the richest Jamaican male YouTubers of 2025, and trust me, number one will shock the island. Welcome back to CCNWORL TV News, the home of Jamaica's digital power rankings. This list is based on subscriber count and average views, CPM niche, live stream donations, sponsorship and brand power, and real-world business operations. All figures are estimates, not bank statements. Now let's count down who is the richest man on Jamaican YouTube in 2025. Jamaican Walk By, Street Humanitarianism, Documentary, Public Interviews, Community Stories. With strong diaspora backing, Jamaican Walk By earns through donations, super chats, sponsored community projects, and brand exposure tied to real-world street content. Estimated earnings, US $4,500 to $8,000. Dutty and his niche is comedy skit entertainment branding. Comedy sells everywhere. With viral skits across social media platforms, Dutty earns from YouTube, brand endorsements, promotions, and stage appearances. Estimated monthly earnings, US $5,000 to US $10,000. Drizzy Burke, street interactions, viral youth entertainment. Youth content equals mass reach, and mass reach equals big brand money. Drizzy Burke brand videos pull heavy engagement, locally and internationally, translating into strong AdSense and influencer marketing revenue. Estimated monthly earning, US $6,000 to US $11,000. Colaz Smith TV, Humanitarian Empire, live stream fundraising. Colaz Smith is the king of humanitarian digital fundraising in Jamaica. Disaster relief, community feeding, international donations. His live streams regularly generate massive donation surges from overseas supporters. Add to that, brand partnerships, construction projects, YouTube AdSense, community sponsorships. Estimated monthly earnings, US $12,000 to US $24,000. One of the most powerful money forces on Jamaican YouTube. Jaii presents a different class of digital wealth on Jamaican YouTube. The power of conversation and connection. Through this podcast platform, he brings together influencers, entertainers, business minds, and a whole host of other persons. His podcast attracts heavy overseas viewers, sponsored episodes, brand integrations, high-value advertising slots, paid promotional interviews. Unlike donation-based creators, Jaii earns from structured media deals, episode sponsorships, and premium brand placement. Every viral interview expands his brand value and raises his podcast rates. Estimated monthly earning, US $15,000 to US $25,000. And there you have it, the richest Jamaican men on YouTube in 2025, based on public data, CPM niches, live stream donations, sponsorship power, and off-platform businesses. From political digital kings to humanitarian giants to super influencers, these men prove that Jamaican YouTube is no longer a hobby, it is big business. Who surprised you the most? Who do you think should be number one? Drop it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, and stay locked to CCNWORL TV News, where Jamaica's digital power is always exposed.